Hi there, Dory Sukap here with another question of the week. And today's question is all about how to increase the conversion rate for the consultations that you do. Conversion is all about success and how good you are doing. So first, let's start with what is a good conversion rate. So if you do 10 consultations in a day, how many of those should be converted into actually a sale? Well, if you're doing very good and you're doing the consultation based on the sacred system that we teach, you should be able to convert about 75 to 80% of the people. They should buy something from you. If you're not converting at least that much, then something is missing. One thing I want you to keep in mind, if you want a higher conversion rate, my suggestion, especially if you're trying to sell high ticket items like we teach during the guest consultation, success with guest consultation audio that we have in video, if you're using that, I'm always telling you to ask for a lot of money. If you're customizing a program like you should be asking for $10, $15, maybe $20,000. So if you want to increase the conversion rate on that, one important question you should be asking when you are making the reservation is this: would there be anybody else that you would need to consult with or check with before you make a decision on participating in any of our programs? If the answer is yes, then you should attempt everything you can do to actually have that person come with them, because it's going to be much easier to sell and overcome the objection that you might get at the end. I need to talk to my husband or my partner or whoever. And sometimes even if they buy and they go home and the partner finds out how much money they actually spend with you, that's when they try to get them to cancel, or buyer's remorse actually sets in, and that's when you're gonna get your cancellations. So if you're trying to sell big ticket items, it's always best to have both parties, partners, husband, wife, whoever, come with them to the consultation. That way you can overcome objections for both of them at once, offer bonuses to make a decision that day, and that way you don't have to worry about buyer's remorse or the other partner saying, are you crazy? You spent how much at the med spa? So this will help your conversion rate quite a bit, and it will solidify your sales to avoid cancellations or buyer's remorse. So if you want to learn how to do these high ticket consultations, get your hands on this great guest consultation and the sacred system, and you will be selling thousands and thousands of dollars in customized programs. So I hope this answered your question. Until next time, stay inspired.